The Cave Beside the Waterfall, second book. Jean and Jack followed a man who had crawled into a tunnel in the rocky cliff. He was scrubbing up a kind of stairway towards some light. Long ago, a stream had run down the tunnel, but now it was dry. There was just enough room for them to climb upward. At last, Alon's heels disappeared over the edge of the slab of rock, and an instant later his hand reached down to help Jean. With one last effort, she pulled herself through. Then she stood beside Alon on a wide ledge. Jean explained with delight at the view. They had climbed high enough to see over the treetops in the pine forest. Far away in the distance, she could see the sloping hills and the small gray stone house where they lived. On one side of the ledge, the waterfall making a barrier, a sheer wall of rock rose behind them. And there at the back of the ledge, inside the cliff, they noticed something marvelous. A cave, shouted Jack. People could search for years and not find it, said Jean. The only way of getting here is the way we came. I think it could have been an outlaw's secret cave, said Alon.